Another hearing was held today in the Amber Spradlin case to discuss setting a trial date and reducing M.K. McKinney's bond. Commonwealth's attorney Brent Turner asked for the trial date to be pushed to May or June, citing that the crime lab now has new technology that will enable them to analyze mixed blood samples, which will result in more accurate results but takes longer to process.
It provides way more information than what they previously would receive. This guy tells me that their case report could be possibly 1,000 pages long, and that the lab report, where they summarize this stuff, may be 20 plus pages long, and they're normally like 2 to 3 pages long.
Defense attorney Stephen Romines replied that it is unconstitutional to keep McKinney in jail while the prosecution keeps pushing back the trial date.
They can't have it both ways. If we want to keep him locked up, but we don't know when we're ready to go to trial. It just, that is so contradictory to Kentucky and the United States Constitution, Judge. You agree to release him on bond, and we can work through some of these issues time-wise. However, you can't try to keep him in on a $5 million bond and say, we don't know when we'll be ready.
Give the gift a connection this Christmas at Appalachian Wireless, because it's time to tech the halls, and we're slaying the deals. Do you want a phone, tablet, and a smartwatch? Well, who doesn't? The good news is we've got a promotion just for that. So hurry up. Visit us online or in one of our many retail locations, because we are you. We are Appalachian Wireless.
Judge Eddie Coleman settled on a jury trial date of May 11th with a pre-trial date set for February 26th at 10 a.m. He also reduced McKinney's bond to a $1 million property bond, which requires posting $2 million in property plus $400,000 cash.
As you probably heard him say, he has done some modification that would do a combination of cash and property, which would be lower than the current $5 million cash, and then it would be up to the defendant to see if they can come up with that, and if they do, he'll be out and on, I assume, on home incarceration.
Judge Coleman also recommended mediation, which Dr. Michael McKinney's attorney Terry Jacobs doesn't see working out in this case.
In this case, neither side has any idea that it will be resolved at mediation. However, the mediation functions in other capacities by clearing up legal issues, trial procedure, and discovery issues. And so it's very productive, even though an actual resolution of the case is extremely unlikely. It's still a very beneficial tool.
Turner is expecting the trial will take at least 3 weeks, possibly 4. Reporting for Mountaintop News, I'm Robin Tillman.